Hello guys, welcome to Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing iPadOS 26 Beta 3. First look on iPad Air M2. Yes guys, I am having iPad Air M2 13-inch model. So currently it is running 18.5 final version, the general available version. Now we are trying to install the beta version, the third beta. So basically you might have noticed like Vision operating system, Apple is changing its ecosystem to more glass effects. Okay, and more of the menus will be like glass effect. Beta 1, beta 2 we're also having lot of glass effects. Sometimes the text under the glass effect were not legitimate, not visible. So Apple is recreating the idea about beta 3 with the translucent effect, little bit opaque. So let us see how the performance is. So right now I'm selecting iPadOS 26 development edition. So the size is around 8 GB to 9 GB roughly depending on your model. So I'm using iPad Air M2 13-inch model. It's going to take a while. Depending on your internet connection, it's going to take maybe 40 minutes to install this particular application. And by the way, now iPadOS is looking like more like Mac. Yes guys, every app will have maximize, minimize, close button similar to Macintosh operating system. Also you will have the menu as well, the top menu, right? File menu, edit menu, and so on. Let me show you once we install. So right now it is iPadOS 26 beta 3. I'm entering my passcode. Once it is done, we are going to do the installation. It's going to reboot once or twice depending on my internet speed. And once the installation is done, I will show you the welcome screen of the iPad beta OS 3. So by the way, this iPadOS 26 beta 3 is available on multiple systems. It is available on most of the iPads with silicon chipset, whatever M series, right? M1, M2, M3, M4 chipset. Even iPad Pro is also eligible. Okay, all M chipsets it's supported. We will see what is the OS supporting models in a soon. So right now it is installing, preparing to install. By the way, 8 to 9 GB of space is required to install this beta 3. And one more thing, once you install beta 3, you cannot go back without using DFU mode. Okay, welcome screen guys. You can see the translucent a little bit less. Now this is the home page. I just logged into the OS. Let us see the different features available. So let's go to the version now. So it is showing iPadOS 26 version. There's a build number also. This is beta 3 guys. I can see performance is little bit better. It was laggy earlier, now it is better. And the battery level roughly about 64%, 50%. So let us see. Once we start charging the battery, we'll come to know how the battery charge is getting applied, how the utilization is applied. My battery is pretty new, 100% as you can see, maximum capacity. Only 21 cycles have been used. And coming to different features guys, Siri of course is available with ChatGPT. So I'm just completing the rest of the configuration for the Mac for this particular iPadOS 26 model. So let us see what are the different settings that we have here. So Apple Intelligence, yes, it is available in India as well. Earlier it was only available for some of the countries. Now India is also included. You also have the ChatGPT integration where you can set up it separately. And you can see the radio buttons are now little bit less translucent. And it is a wide button. Earlier it was a circle, now it's a wide button. Let us see what are the wallpapers we have accordingly. So let's open the wallpaper. So as I told you, a little bit slow. If you can see, first time when you open the wallpaper counter, it's taking some time to load the individual wallpaper icons. And by the way, spatial wallpaper is also supported guys. So you can convert any photo as 3D photo. You can see my beta 1 in the playlist to see that effect. So currently I can see a lot of wallpapers have been generated. I see some of the new wallpapers. If you go to iPadOS, there's a couple of wallpapers in translucent style. But performance is a little bit slow guys. It's not up to the mark. Maybe as we continue using this iPadOS 26, probably we can see the change of speed. Now right now it is indexing. As you can see, slowly the wallpapers are getting popped up. iPadOS, it has got now 4 variants of wallpaper on the first line of the images. If you see, overall I really like this kind of translucent effect. Let us see the widgets as well. So as you know, on the iPad macOS 26, both in vertical and horizontal scenarios, we can add widgets. I'm just trying to add some widgets and see the transparent effects how they are. So let's continue adding. I added some of the widgets including weather, battery and so on. So stay tuned guys, really it's coming to be excited as iPad OS is getting more near to Mac OS, especially people who are having iPad Air 13-inch M2. It's a very wide iPad, right? When you put it in the horizontal way with the magic keyboard, definitely it can use as a Mac. As you can see, customizable screen, the time is also can be customized, the size, the counter of the time as well, depth effect on and off, a few features, automatic light, dark. I can see the shadows are changing now. This can be configured depending on the time as well. As I told you, 4 variants of wallpaper are available: halo, dusk, halo and sky and so on. So let us come to the other settings as well. As you can see now here, the window has been swiped to the right. So multiple windows can be opened now. As I drag and change the window size, I can make it big, small. I can cascade the windows. I can put windows on top of each other. So some new features are coming. Let us explore. So I'm trying to find out window as well. You can see preview is another service where you can preview any file. Without having the application, I can preview any particular file. Most of the standard files are supported. Preview is something new coming to the both for iPad OS and also for the iPhone iOS 26. That is new feature I'm seeing. And you can see the translucent effect now. When I click on customize, I can see default dark, clear, tinted. Earlier when I'm navigating the radio buttons, the transparency was too much, so I was not able to see it properly. Now it is blurring the background below the interface, so it is a little bit better. So as you can see here, it is much better. I feel it's good. I can change the size of it as well. Default dark tinted. Here you can see most of the icons, including third-party icons, now are also showing transparent. Control center also transparent, better than the earlier beta one. Now transparency is more matured. It good for eyes as well. Now I am able to see the interface very clearly. The background is not overtaking my foreground. Overall it is good guys. So I am able to drag and drop each widget according to our needs. Very fluid. I don't see any lag now. Very fluid over here. The performance is quite normal guys as of now. So let us continue and observe how it is. Okay. So as we continue exploring the interface, I am just trying to explore the control center by moving across, changing the size of it. Let us open music and let us see what are the additional features available in the music application. As you can see, when I'm navigating this music app, Apple Music, the down below, whatever the play buttons are there, it is now properly visible. In the earlier betas, it was more transparent. Now it is transparent, but it is adjusted according to the background. So I can see the buttons very clearly. Okay, and album art is also very clear. Sometimes the icon takes some time before it, comes to a proper iconic size. As you can see here, now I open Safari. Safari as usual, same backgrounds are available. You can add a custom photo as well to the Safari browser. And Spotlight is also similar. I don't see any changes in the search window. So when I open google.com, as you can see, the entire Safari became white. So depending on the websites, now let's see how we can put multiple windows. This is existing interface side by side. Let us change the interface, Let's see how the multiple window works upon. I'm trying to look into these options: full screen apps, windowed apps and stage manager. All three are available in beta 3. So this is stage manager in action. You can see 4 windows will be available on the left side, and that's the menu I was talking about, where iPad is meeting the Mac. When I want to close any app, you can see the cross mark, right? Close window, minimize window and maximize window are popping up almost like Mac. And I can put multiple applications on top of each other as well. Let us see how we can put that. I'm trying to identify one application and put it on Google, another application page. So if you see here, I can drag and drop the window. I can change the window size as well. That is also a good feature, almost like a desktop. Here you can see I was able to put application icons on top of each other, the app windows. And let us see the menu also. I want to show you the menu system, how they are. Performance is good, guys, really. Performance is really good. I feel that I'm using a final version, but it's still beta 3. So we have to see how it opens and works together. As you can see, I can drag and drop the applications. I think 4 to 5 applications you can run parallelly. As you can see, the cross window, minus window, maximize window, almost typically like Mac. And on the top, I was talking on menu, right? When you swipe the finger from top to bottom, you will see the menu as well, almost identical to a Mac operating system. So day by day, iPadOS and Macs are coming closer. I would understand, but iPadOS will not beat the Mac completely, but still, it's almost closure, and you can use it happily, like a portable device. 13-inch with a magic keyboard can definitely replace a Mac to a certain extent. As you can see, the menus are also very fast. I can see the performance is good. Depending on the application, the concerned menu will be available on top. Good feature, guys. This is a good feature actually. I really like this feature. Looking forward to explore this beta 3 in its entirety. We will try to open multiple applications as well. Let me show you the options while we try to place the windows, all the applications separately. And suggestions are also good. As you can see, I'm able to type at docking settings. All those things are working very good. And let us try to put application on top of each other. I really like this fluid kind of manageability. As you can see here, I'm able to put lot of apps one by one. In fact, very smooth. So I'm putting a lot of applications. Now 3 to 4 apps are cascaded accordingly on top of each other, as you can see. And by the way, if you want more screen, the dock will automatically minimize down below. You can see icons will automatically minimize if I need more screen estate available. And also I can, if I open more than 4 applications, some of the applications will be moved to left and right, so that to give space for the upcoming applications. So this is a good feature, guys. And let me show you pages. This is also updated. The menu system is now quite good. On top of it, you can see all the menus coming up, the screen view, everything. I just need to swipe my finger from top to bottom. Same like almost like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or for that matter, keynote pages, numbers like Macintosh. All features are available in the menu system. This is new, literally new to iPad. Earlier this was not available. Now this entire menu system is available. So let us open Keynote as well. I'll show you each and every application. Keynote, let's choose a default theme. I've just opened the default theme, and now when I swipe the cursor from top to bottom, I can see the menus available here. So let us open another application like Numbers, equivalent of Excel. So once you open that, you will be getting a new screen, and I can see the menu system pretty fast. Interface is too good. Whole menu system is fine. I can maximize. Even normal window also will have the menu system bar on the top. Good, yeah, really. I really like this approach of Apple trying to decrease the differences between iPadOS and Mac. This feature, I really like it. One more main thing is phone application. Yes, guys, voicemail, filtering of calls, phone application is now embedded in iPad. So you need to have a phone linked to the same account. So I can use my iPad to take calls, to record calls, and also to filter unwanted numbers. So a lot of features are coming up, along with voice isolation, spectrum. So as you have normal features, right, for your phone application. Similarly, the menu system is also available for the phone, as you can see here. I can route my phone to a different settings as well. Really good. These features are good. If you go to App Intelligence, you can show who is calling, monitoring the call, unwanted call I can select. A lot of features are there. This is also a new good feature coming up on FaceTime, phone and WhatsApp. All three are supported. From iPad itself, I can make a call. So these features are all good features, okay? So it can screen unwanted calls, call recording. screen incoming calls. If I enable that, it's going to screen unknown numbers. It will try to understand who is talking, and it will show you visual representation of it. That is also a good feature, guys, really. So if you have iPad connected with a magic keyboard along with iPhone, then you can have entire phone application literally on iPad. Right now it's charging, my phone is charging, and also my iPad is charging now. It gives you the percentage of charging, and after a certain extent I can make sure only 80% is charged, so that remaining is not fully to 100%. Every time it is going to charge to 80%. Right now my maximum capacity is 100%, so we are good to go. And there is a phone call I was telling, right? As you can see, when the phone is being operated, I can change standard voice isolation and wide voice spectrum and so on. Features are good even for video call and audio call. Good features right in iPad, so that's a good thing. And so far I have not seen any major bugs. Sometimes icons are not getting faster refresh. So let's go to translate. This is also a new feature, live translation, guys. So I can translate in multiple languages, Hindi to English. Example here we are doing. Good feature, guys. This is also a very good feature available for us. So I think going forward, definitely as we prolong to the next build, the features will be more fine-tuned. Right now I can feel that beta 3 is much faster than beta 1. Really, I like the overall interface. Pretty good features, guys. So let us explore what are the changes coming up on this particular iPadOS and what are devices supported. Okay, so on the Apple website clearly mentions iPadOS 26 preview, workflows, highlights, especially liquid glass, as I'm mentioning liquid glass interface. That is a new interface, and also design is now transparent tiles. That is also a new feature. Glowing of tiles. Lock screen is now spatial with your photos, and also Apple Music, all are changing now. Multitasking, the way we are doing is changing now. You can put window tiling as well as new way to control your windows. Maximize, minimize. Menu system have come. Menu bar is there now for each and every application. Similarly, folders in the dock. If in the dock, if you have multiple files open, like Mac, I can click on that icon and I can change the color of the folder also. This is also a new feature. So a lot of features are coming up. Even in Notes also, it is now Apple Intelligence enabled, where I can text and transcript and summarize the differences. ChatGPT is now incorporated, the free ChatGPT. If you want, I can purchase a premium account as well and link to it. Phone app is also coming to iPad. You can screen the new senders, add a background to your conversation, as well as contact posters and messages. Also you can do polling is there. So a lot of features coming to iPadOS 26. So stay tuned, guys. Like, share Himalayan Chronicles, subscribe to our lovely channel to know more about PlayStation, Apple devices, and as well as travel across the world. So come to the channel, enjoy this beautiful channel. Go to the playlist to see beta 1, beta 3, PlayStation, PS Vita, PSP. Lot of honest reviews we do, including cameras. Thanks a lot for watching. With love, Himalayan Chronicles.